Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today's video is another headband wig video, and I'm going to put the first video up here for you guys to see. So this wigs were old and tangled, and I just turned it to a headband wig. It's so easy to do. Anyone can make a headband wig, so I'm going to show you how I made the headband wig. It's easy, yeah, anyone can do it, and I'm loving the look. As you can see, I have this headband. There's no other way for me to show you how to make a headband wig without showing you some of my collections, and they are so affordable. Let me know what you think about this headband. I love the color, I love the style. It's just different, and if you know me, you know I love things that are unique. All the headbands that I'm showing you today are very affordable and they are fashionable. Of course, it's coming from your girl, so what do you expect? If you want to see how I turn my old wigs into a headband wig, keep on watching. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second headband wig that I've made. The first one is a coily hair. This one looks more like my hair texture, and I'm loving the outcome. The process is easy, from sewing the wig to installing it. This video is quite explanatory, so you don't really need me to explain anything. So I'm just going to leave you so you can watch it. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will be in the comment section. I also showed you some of my headband collections. Please watch till the end, or you can fast forward it to 6.00 minutes.
Give it to me like, give it to me like, give it to me like. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Play it so slow. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Turn it up and then I'm gonna 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 turn it up. turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. So I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna 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 turn it up, I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Play it so slow. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna 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 turn it up, I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. Give it to me like I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.